Alright, all you college students out there, I'm going to show you my patented studying methods that most likely will improve your test scores. So basically, what I first did was you want to get yourself one of these, or maybe even a video camera. If you don't want to get a camera, a voice recorder will work. This is an older one that uses the cassette tapes. You can buy them just, they don't come with cassette tapes anymore. I can't remember if they're like flash drive or something, but there's new ones out there, and it's basically just talking into the voice recorder than listening to what you say. But it's all about the content of what you're going to be doing. So it's basically making an outline. So this is my outline. It's I'll go to just a chapter here. Yeah, get yourself a highlighter, and you wanna highlight basically some key sentences out of every paragraph, or maybe every, like, I guess you call them sections. But yeah, you see I got like some key sentences highlighted here and there. You want to, as you get experience with college and classes, you learn to basically guess what's going to be on your exam, and it's basically find a good summary sentence for each and every paragraph, maybe one or two per paragraph, and then you want to write down. I'll show you my outline. You want to write down all your all your highlighted sentences for your outline. So I've got the headings here, and then the sections one by one with all my highlighted sentences for that chapter. They come out to about a page and a half per chapter. If you do it, depends on how much you want to highlight and what you think is going to be on your exam. As you become, freshman, sophomore, you learn to guess pretty accurately what's going to be on your exam. So, you make your outline. Make your outline, and then talk into your voice recorder, or you can do like I did and talk into your video camera. So it becomes a pretty nice way to study. Here's me reading my chapter 3 outline. And basically, it's a real nifty way to study. You get your voice, you get the vocal part of things, and the outline is reading sentence by sentence. I'll just let it play for a little while. So, you can put headphones on, when you're, let's see, when you're cramming for your exam, and you're all fatigued, and you're in a big rush. It's nice to have these videos to basically guide you. Turn it up a little bit. So, you can make videos, you can make tapes, but it's all about, what you highlight and what you put in your outline. So I'll cut out and I'll show you another quick thing. Alright, here's another thing I did. Basically, it's reading the index cards of every term, every key term. Most introduction courses, the textbooks, they list the terms for you. This one's kind of busted up. I actually bought it used, but you do the same thing. Play your recording or play your video, and then have them written down on index cards. get the idea. Just go term by term, and the more you study and watch your video, the easier it is to study. You just play them over and over. And, here's some headphones. Get yourself some headphones. And just plug them into your camera, and it should be good. Good way to study if you study. So there you go. Make videos, recordings. Get yourself a nice camera if you can. They're pretty expensive, but for college students. But get what you can. Find a voice recorder, or if you have one, or get a new one. Probably not too bad nowadays. It's a good way to study. It helps your grades. My grades did start improving. I started getting some pretty good tests, exam scores after doing this. I wasn't I was a senior, but by the time I had invented this little idea, I was a senior, and so if you're a freshman, sophomore, it's probably a good idea to try and do it. But no matter what grade, what level you're at, it's a good idea, so try it out, so there it is. Good luck. Hopefully you do well in your classes. So see you guys later. Thanks a lot.